Hello guys and welcome back. So in the previous video we have created this waypoints. Now let's go ahead and add a character and then allow that character to walk in this whole area. Okay, so let me move the player to a little bit this side. Okay, then let's start from this waypoint. For example, let's add the AI character. So if you go inside the AI characters, we have these characters. So let's start from the first one. Let's drag and drop the character right there. Okay, as you can see, here it is. Let's rotate it on the 90 like that. Move it a little bit behind this waypoint and then let's move it right there. We will name this as AI character. That is it. And then click on prefab, unpack completely. And if you notice right here, for this first character we have this controller, okay, in which we have the walking and the dying animation. If we drag and drop the character to it, the AI character, as you can see, here it is. Okay, so you will have this animator as well, and if you want to add some other animations then you can add that as well. For example, if you want to change the walking animation, then just simply delete these two animation, add your own, create a die parameter, and right here just simply set the die to true, because we will be killing this AI characters as well. Okay, so click on the AI character, drag and drop this animator in there, and once you add the animator, our AI character is ready. Now let's go ahead and create the scripts for this character. So right here in the scripts folder, go inside the traffic AI and right here create a C# script by the name of character navigator script. Click on this player, drag and drop this script right there, and now let's open this up. Right here what we will do is first of all create a header by the name of character info, and in this character info we will create a float by the name of moving speed. This will be the moving speed of the character. Then we can add the turning speed as well. So create a float and name it as turning speed. The turning speed for this character will be 300. Then also add a float by the name of stop speed, because when the character reaches one of the waypoint we want to stop the character for a while and then allow the character to move to the next one. So that's why we need the stop speed as well. Then after this create another header by the name of destination variable, and in here we will create a vector3 by the name of destination. Then create a bool by the name of destination reached. Now right here let's create a method by the name of walk, and inside this walk method we will allow the AI character to walk. But first of all, down below let's create another method by the name of locate destination. In here we will pass a vector3 by the name of destination as a parameter, and then we will say that if this dot destination is equals to the destination, then what we will do, we will set the destination reach to false. So what this means, that if the player reach the waypoint, or you can say destination, then we will set the destination reach to false, because the player has now reached the destination. So we will set it to false, and when it is set to false then the player will be able to search for other waypoint and then walk towards that waypoint. Okay, so this locate destination will do that. It will just simply check that if the player, the AI player or AI character reaches the waypoint, and if it reach the waypoint, then we will set the destination reach to false. Okay, then right here in the walk method, now we will be allowing the AI character to walk. So in the if condition, we will say that if the AI character doesn't reach the destination, okay, so for that we type transform.position is not equals to destination. Then in here what we're going to do, we will search for the destination and then make the AI character to walk towards that find destination. Okay, so right here we will create a vector 3 by the name of destination direction. This will be equals to destination minus transform dot position. Then we will say destination direction dot y will be equals to 0, and the reason we set the destination direction dot y to 0 is because we don't want the player to move in the air if the waypoint is in the air. Okay, so that's why we set this to 0 so that the AI characters stay on the ground. Then after that we will create a float by the name of destination distance. This will be equals to destination direction dot magnitude. Okay, then after this we will say that if the destination direction is greater than or equals to the stop speed, it means that if the player found any destination and that destination is far away from the player, then what we will do, we will make the player move to that area. So of course there will be a turning and also moving the AI as well, because if the destination, or you can say the waypoint, is on the left or the right side, then of course we want the AI character to turn toward that direction. Okay, so right here in the turning, what we will do is we will set the destination reach to false. Then we will create a quaternion by the name of target rotation. This will be equals to quaternion dot look rotation, and we want the AI character to look towards the destination direction, so we will pass the destination direction right here, and then let's rotate the full body of the AI character. So for that we will say transform dot rotation will be equals to quaternion dot rotate towards, we want to rotate the AI character towards the target rotation, and then we will pass the turning speed as well, and in order to make that turning speed smooth, we will multiply that by time dot delta time. Okay, so when now the character is able to turn, now let's also make the character moves as well. So for that we will say transform dot translate. Of course the character will move in the forward direction, so we will say vector 3 dot forward and multiply that forward movement by the moving speed, and in order to make the movement speed smooth, we will multiply the moving speed by time dot delta time. Okay, so inside this if condition we say that if the AI character didn't reach the waypoint, or if the AI character finds any new waypoint, then we will simply move the AI character towards that waypoint. Okay, then after this if condition we will add a else as well, and this else is for if the destination is already reached. Then if the destination is already reached, then what we will do, we will set the destination reach to true. Okay, and then right here we said that if we reach the destination, okay, then we set the destination reach back to false, and when it is set to false, then we search for another waypoint and then move the AI character towards that waypoint. Right here in the if condition, remove this destination direction, and instead of the destination direction, type destination distance, because the destination distance is a float and the stop speed is also a float. Okay, so now if we save the script and get back to Unity, right here, as you know that now the AI character can move and rotate for the waypoints, and also the character also knows that if the character reaches the waypoint or not, or you can say the destination or not. Okay, so now what we need to do right here is we need to tell this AI character that your destination will be this waypoints. Okay, and also if the AI character reaches, for example, this first waypoint, then as you know that on this waypoint we have the data for the previous and next waypoint, so we need to tell this character that now you reach this waypoint, now from here your next waypoint will be the second. Okay, and then move this AI character towards that second waypoint. So for that, right here in the traffic AI, we need to create a C# script by the name of Waypoint Navigator. Then click on the AI character and drag and drop this Waypoint Navigator script right there. Then open this up, and right here we first of all need a reference to our character navigator script and then to our waypoint script as well. Okay, so let me add a header. Let's name this as AI character. Okay, so let's add a reference to the character navigator script. Let's name this reference as character. Okay, then we need a reference to the waypoint script, and let's name this as current waypoint. Okay, then as you know that this character navigator script and waypoint navigator script is attached to the AI character, so in order to assign this script to this reference, what we can do is simply right here we will add a awake method, and in here we will set the character to get component. We want to get the character navigator script. That is it. Then after this we need to provide the next waypoint as the destination to this locate destination method, which is on the character navigator script. As you can see, it requires a destination. So what we will do, we will add a start method, and in the start method, whenever the game start, we will assign a destination to the AI character. So let's call the method locate destination right here, and for this vector3 destination we will pass current waypoint dot get position. Okay, then as you know that we will be needing to update this destination whenever the character reaches one of the waypoint. So for that we will add a update method right here. Okay, and we will say that if the character dot destination reached is false, then we need to add a destination to this vector3, which is by the name of destination as well. Okay, so right here we will say current waypoint equals to current waypoint dot next waypoint. Okay, and then we need to pass this current waypoint to our locate destination, so we will say character dot locate destination, and right here we will say current waypoint dot get position. So what this means that whenever the game start, okay, then we will give the next waypoint as the current waypoint to our AI character if the destination reached is false. Okay, so this is all this waypoint navigator will do. Now if we save the script, get back to Unity right here, as you can see, now we need to provide the current waypoint right here. So for example, this AI character is standing close to this first waypoint, so let's assign this right there. Okay, and when we start the game, the AI character will reach this point, and then from here he will walk in the forward direction inside this waypoints. Okay, and then right here, just for now, make the moving speed as 2. Now if we play the game, okay, here is the AI character not moving. This is because right here in the character navigator script inside the update method we didn't call the walk method. Okay, so let's call the walk right there. That is it. Save the script, get back to Unity. Now if we click on this character, everything is assigned. Let's play the game. Okay, now as you can see, the character is moving, but I think the movement speed for this character is a little bit higher, so let's make this as 1.5, and now it matches the character animation. Okay, so as you can see, the AI character is now walking perfectly fine, and you can notice the current waypoint changing right there. Okay, now the next waypoint for the AI character is 6. Now as you can see, when he reaches the 6, now it is 7, now it is 8, and in this way the AI character will just simply keep walking. Okay, so in this way you can move your character between different waypoints. And also what I did right here with the AI waypoint is I moved them closer to the ground. Okay, so make sure that you move the waypoints closer to the ground. That is it. And now with the AI character walking between the waypoints, let's end this video right here.